Got the 56 Ford F100 up on the lift. This one's a beauty. Frame off restoration. Took a year to get into the guy that's a local here in Montana. Only works on 3 years of the F100s, including the 56, obviously. About 18-month process, and he only works on one at a time and does everything. So, you know, this is back to original concourse level restoration. There's not really much to point out as far as any imperfections, but we'll do a walkthrough, you know, just to prove that. I already did a walk around, but while I got it up here, let's give you some looks at the underside of everything so you can see the lower edges as well. Let's see. Just coming up into the underside of the bed, all done in oak, sealed up in polyurethane, you know, frame off, so everything was off to be painted. So you don't see them this clean this often. Everything taken down to bare metal, including the frame, you know, everything replaced to factory specs. So she's just like she was when she came off showroom, including motorcraft shocks. About 800 miles on it since the restoration was complete around 2015, 2016. We got the same owner here since 1968. He bought it from the first owner, who had purchased it in South Dakota, and then he moved to Montana, but it held it the first 12 years. So you can see springtime in Montana, a little tough to keep things spotless, but you know, you're talking concourse level work here, and you couldn't replicate this for the price we got it at. She's just beautiful. Nut and bolt. Just give you the inside. This is passenger side rear. You can see the lips underneath here. Gonna walk over to the driver's side, give you the same peek. Other than just a little bit of mud splatter from the road out front. No rust holes. You know, this is truly a rust-free vehicle. Classic. Wheels were powder coated. 235 75 15s. 800 miles on them. So we'll run down passenger side running board here. You know, even the attention to detail here on the skirting is just pristine. All of the screws replaced. Absolutely gorgeous freaking truck. Let's kind of get up underneath here so you can see the underside of the running boards. Battery box. You got the Anapa commercial. First year, I believe, of Ford running to a 12-volt system. 56. You can see it's all undercoated in there. Frame rails, all the welds. You got some good sounding pipes on here. Rear diff, pinion seals, nice and dry. You do a squat down so you can get the full bed effect. Parking brakes, fully functional. And we'll do a rotate, looking forward. Get up here in the driver's side. Master cylinder, light it up a bit. Rear output shafts, bone dry, rubber's all perfect. Did replace the transmission, added overdrive. So you got a 3-speed on the tree with overdrive. Same thing, skirting on this side. Driver's side front wheel well. And if you look at this, there isn't body damage, crappy paint jobs like you see a lot today, unfortunately. You know, mud, skim coats that come down below the fenders. Nothing to hide with this one. Kind of come around before I finish underneath. You can see bumper, spotless, lower valance. She's a pristine concourse bad boy. You know, same thing, just a quick glance at the body lines. Just need to get up there and do some cleaning. Really just in the fender wells. There's not much splashed underneath here. Original motor was replaced. You got a 292, which would have been, you know, period correct on the T-Birds. Y block. Motorcrafts in the front. Never tell what's easier to see. But let me know if I missed anything on her. You know, looking at the ball joints and everything, I mean, there's kingpins. There's really no need. Everything has been replaced. And it's all in excellent condition. Many miles to go. All right. Well, there she is.